Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com's officially website, so you can download driver. After that you can see right hand side, this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card, Aeros GeForce RTX 5080 XTREME WATERFORCE WB16G. Then click on the product. Now you can see this is your graphic card. Click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. NVIDIA driver, and click to download. This is the download icon. So when you click to download, it will start downloading like that. Okay, so you have to check when it is completed. So click on three dot and it will complete it. Then click on the download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.